Today we're going to look at the problem of dog separation anxiety and 6 tips on how to overcome it. Don't forget to subscribe if you love everything dogs. Dogs are loyal companions who love being with their owners. Sometimes this attachment can lead to problems when you need to leave them alone. Separation anxiety in dogs is a common issue that causes distress for both you and your dog. You can help your dog feel more comfortable when you're away by using simple training techniques and making changes to your routine. With patience and the right approach, many dogs can learn to relax and stay calm even when their favorite person isn't around. These tips will guide you in easing your dog's anxiety and creating a happier home for both of you. Tip number 1, create a safe space. Dogs with separation anxiety need a cozy spot to feel secure when you're away. Pick a quiet area in your home where your pup can relax. This space could be a comfy bed in a corner or a crate with positive associations. Make sure the crate is not used for punishment. Add your dog's favorite toys and blankets to make it inviting. You can also include items with your scent, like an old t-shirt to comfort them even more. Consider using calming aids in this space. Pheromone diffusers or soothing music might help your dog feel more at ease. Introduce this safe space gradually. Encourage your dog to spend time there when you're home. Use treats and praise to create positive experiences. Remember, every dog is different. What works for one might not work for another. Be patient and adjust the space as needed to suit your pup's preferences. Tip number 2, use calming music. Playing soothing tunes can help ease your dog's separation anxiety. Relaxing music for dogs is designed to calm their nerves when you're away. Try leaving some gentle melodies on when you head out. Classical music or special canine-friendly compositions work well. These sounds can mask outside noises that might stress your pup. You can find playlists on YouTube with hours of calming dog music. Play these tunes at a low volume in the background. Your furry friend will start to associate the music with relaxation. Start by playing the music when you're home with your dog. This helps them link the sounds to positive feelings. Then use it when you leave to create a soothing atmosphere. Remember, every dog is different. You might need to try a few styles to find what your pup likes best. Some dogs prefer classical, while others enjoy soft jazz or nature sounds. With time and patience, calming music can become a helpful tool in managing your dog's separation anxiety. It's a simple way to provide comfort when you can't be there. Tip number 3, provide interactive toys. Interactive toys can help your dog cope with being alone. These toys keep your pet busy and distracted when you're away. Puzzle toys are great for mental stimulation. They make your dog work for treats, which keeps them focused and engaged. Consider getting a Kong classic dog toy. You can stuff it with treats or peanut butter. This gives your dog something to lick and chew on for hours. Snuffle mats are another good option. Hide treats in the mat and let your dog search for them. This mimics natural foraging behavior and keeps them occupied. Try rotating toys to keep things interesting. Don't leave out all the toys at once. Instead, switch them out every few days to maintain novelty. Remember to always supervise your dog with new toys at first. Make sure they're safe and your pet can't choke on any parts. Tip number 4, practice short departures. Getting your dog used to your leaving is key to easing separation anxiety. This is also known as desensitization training. Start by leaving for just a few minutes at a time. This helps your dog learn that you'll always come back. Begin with very short trips outside. Maybe just step out for 5 minutes, then come back in. Don't make a big fuss when you return. Act like it's no big deal. Slowly increase the time you're gone. Try 10 minutes, then 30 minutes, then an hour. Keep building up as your dog gets more comfortable. This process might take days or weeks, so be patient. Mix up your routine when you leave. Sometimes grab your keys but don't go out. Other times put on your coat and stay home. This helps your dog not get worked up by these cues. Make sure your dog is calm before you leave. Don't make a big fuss when you go or come back. This keeps things low-key and less stressful for your pup. Practice several short departures each day. You can do this while you're at home just by going to another room. It all helps your dog feel more relaxed when you're not in sight. Remember to reward calm behavior. When your dog stays quiet and relaxed as you leave or return, give them a treat or some praise. This reinforces good habits. You can use special toys or treats when you leave. This gives your dog something positive to focus on. It can help them link your absence with good things. Remember, each dog is different. What works for one might not work for another. If you're having trouble, don't hesitate to ask a dog trainer for help. Tip number 5, hire a dog walker. If you work long hours, a dog walker can be a big help for your pup with separation anxiety. A midday visit can break up the day and give your dog some much needed attention and exercise. Look for a reliable dog walker in your area. Ask friends for recommendations or use apps that connect you with professional pet care services. Make sure to introduce the walker to your dog before leaving them alone together. This helps your pup feel more comfortable with the new person. A good dog walker will not only take your pet for a walk, but also provide mental stimulation and companionship. They might play games, offer treats, or simply give your dog some cuddles. Hiring a dog walker can reduce your dog's stress and boredom while you're away. It gives them something to look forward to during the day. Remember to communicate your dog's needs and any anxiety-related behaviors to the walker. This way they can better support your pup during their visits. With regular walks and attention from a trusted caregiver, your dog may start to feel more relaxed when you're not home. It's a simple step that can make a big difference in managing separation anxiety. Tip number 6, try a thunder shirt. A thunder shirt can be a helpful tool for dogs with separation anxiety. This anxiety dog vest works by applying gentle pressure to your pet's body, similar to swaddling a baby. The constant pressure has a calming effect on many dogs. It may help reduce their stress and anxiety when you leave the house. To use a thunder shirt, put it on your dog before you leave. This gives them time to adjust to wearing it. Make sure it's snug but not too tight. Some dogs respond well to the thunder shirt right away. Others may need time to get used to it. Be patient and consistent in using it. You can use a thunder shirt along with other anxiety-reducing techniques. It's not a cure-all, but many pet owners find it helpful. Remember, every dog is different. What works for one may not work for another. If you're unsure, talk to your vet about using a thunder shirt for your dog's separation anxiety. Understanding separation anxiety. Dogs can feel anxious when left alone. This anxiety can show up in different ways. Some things make dogs more likely to feel this way. Anxious behaviors like pacing, whining, or shaking are signs of separation anxiety. Your dog might bark or howl a lot when you're gone. They might also chew things up or scratch at doors and windows. Some dogs have potty accidents inside, even if they're trained. Your pup might try to escape or follow you closely before you leave. They may also drool more than usual or refuse to eat when left alone. Watch for these signs when you come home or on a camera while you're away. If you see a few of these, your dog might have separation anxiety. Some dogs are more likely to get separation anxiety than others. Rescue dogs or those who have changed homes often might feel this way more. Big life changes like moving or a new baby can also cause it. Dogs who aren't used to being alone might get anxious when left by themselves. If you're always home and then suddenly start leaving, your dog might get upset. Some breeds are also more prone to anxiety. Not enough exercise or mental stimulation can make anxiety worse. Make sure your dog gets plenty of playtime and walks. Giving them toys to keep them busy when you're gone can help too. Building a calming routine. Dogs feel better with a steady routine. A calm daily plan can help your pup feel safe when you're away. Simple steps can make a big difference in easing your dog's stress. Reward your dog for calm behavior. Give treats when they're relaxed in their safe space. Praise them when they stay calm as you move around. Use a special toy or treat only when you leave. This helps your dog link your absence with good things. Try a stuffed Kong or a lick mat. Stick to a routine for leaving and coming home. Keep goodbyes short and sweet. When you return, stay calm until your dog settles down. And now here are the frequently asked questions. Number 1. What are some effective home remedies to ease a dog's separation anxiety? Try leaving an item with your scent like a worn t-shirt near your dog's bed. This can comfort them when you're gone. Use lavender essential oil in a diffuser. The scent can have a calming effect on some dogs. Give your dog a special treat or chew toy only when you leave. This creates a positive association with your departure. Number 2. How can I help my dog cope with separation anxiety, especially at night? Establish a bedtime routine to help your dog feel secure. This can include a walk, cuddle time, and a treat. Leave a nightlight on so your dog isn't in complete darkness. This can reduce anxiety in some pets. Consider letting your dog sleep in your room. Being near you at night might help them feel more relaxed during the day. Number 3. What techniques can be used to treat severe separation anxiety in dogs? Desensitization training can help. Start by leaving for very short periods and gradually increase the time. Consult a professional dog trainer or behaviorist. They can create a tailored plan for your dog's needs. In some cases, your vet might recommend anti-anxiety medication to help your dog during training. Number 4. How can I prevent my dog from feeling anxious when left home alone? Exercise your dog before you leave. A tired dog is more likely to rest while you're gone. Don't make a big fuss when leaving or returning home. Keep goodbyes and hellos low key. Hire a dog walker or ask a friend to visit. Breaking up the day can help your dog feel less alone. Number 5. What training methods are recommended for a dog suffering from separation anxiety? Practice stay and go to your place commands. These can help your dog learn to be calm on their own. Use positive reinforcement. Reward your dog for calm behavior when you're preparing to leave. Try counter conditioning. Pair your departure cues like picking up keys with treats to create positive associations. I sure do hope that some or all of these tips will help you and your dog. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos of the top dog breeds and much more. I'll see you in the next video, and take care.